This is a chrysanthemum flower resin pour tutorial in English. I don't believe one exists. I've heard some in German and some other language, so I figured I'd do it in English for all our English-speaking customers. This is done in our Crystal Edge B mold, and you need a high viscosity resin to do this pour. I used Let's Resin Deep Pour Resin, but I've also used Magic Resin Tabletop Resin as well. I mixed up 6.35 ounces of resin. I have 1.13 ounces with 5 drops of sweet cherry resin ink from Octopus Fluids, zero point 0.71 ounces of Enzian, 2 drops, zero point 0.71 ounces with 15 drops of Casting Craft white pigment paste, and then the push is 3.8 ounces of resin with 1 drop of sweet cherry. That's how difficult this pour is. I put a little glitter there in the center, and it's closing up. These measurements did not fit my mold, but I was doing it as an experiment, so we'll see how it turns out. Well, that certainly is pink. Let us know what you think in the comments below.